Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Settings and choosing More Connections. Now tap on Bluetooth section at the top and enable it by clicking on this gray sweater next to Use Bluetooth. Then wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the chosen one. In order to connect, select Pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, choose this gear icon next to chosen device. Click on Forget at the bottom left corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to connect to the same one, just click on it and select Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!